SKYX showcases its advanced, safe, and fast-install lighting technologies in a SpringHill Suites Marriott Hotel renovation. First-time installation into a standard electrical outlet box takes a minute. In hospitality renovations, every second counts. With SKYX, replacing or installing light fixtures takes just seconds, making it safe, easy, and cost-efficient. Traditional installation of lighting and exit signs takes a lengthy amount of time. Now, with SKYX's technology, an entire room takes only minutes to install. SKYX's installation system reduces significant time and cost while enhancing the safety of the hotel, its employees, and guests. SKYX delivers fast, professional results for hotels and buildings, simplifying renovations, enhancing safety, while reducing costs and time. Design meets function, mirrors with backlighting, installed in seconds with SKYX. SkyPlug transforms maintenance. No wires, no delays. Simply plug, click, and you're done. SKYX. Innovation, speed, safety. The future of hospitality starts here, saving time, cutting costs, while maximizing safety and efficiency. SKYX's technology is approved by UL, NFPA, NEC, and by ANSI, NEMA.